Simplify support with the ADI All-in-One Protection Plan, powered by Guardsman. When you build a project, you build it to last, and of course, stand behind your work. Now, you can simplify support by offering an extended warranty through ADI. Our all-in-one protection plan covers every main component of your customer's project, from Pro AV to video surveillance, access control, smart home products, and more. By purchasing a 3 or 5-year protection plan, your customers are ensured peace of mind, knowing that their new security system, home theater, or conference room is fully covered. Coverage begins from the installation date, and it includes 100% of parts, labor, and shipping costs for eligible claims, with no deductible or service fee. Selling the ADI All-in-One Protection Plan also provides you with an additional revenue stream. And the good news is, it only takes a few clicks to register your project on the ADI Guardsman portal and add the protection plan as a line item on your customer's invoice. Simply start by navigating to the ADI Guardsman portal and setting up your account. From there, follow 4 simple steps to register the project and automatically calculate cost and margin. First, enter basic project information, including type, total customer cost, and the duration of the plan. Then, submit your product and project details, which can be done by simply uploading your itemized project invoice. Next, enter your customer's information. Finally, click Purchase, and your customer will automatically receive plan details and claim information. One extended warranty for your whole project, one simple registration, one easy way to generate income and eliminate future costs for your customer. Simplify support with the ADI All-in-One Protection Plan, powered by Guardsman.